Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video I am going to show you how to use Advanced List. Create or open the page on which you want to use Advanced List. Once the page is opened, click on Add Block option and search for Events. Add Event Shortcode block to your page. Under the Select Template setting, change the layout to Advanced List. Click on Publish or Update button and view the page. You can search events by category name. Click Refresh button for view all events. You can also search events by tag name. There is another option for search events based on event name. For view the event, click on View More button. You can sort the events by clicking on Ascending and Descending button. From extra settings you can show and hide the venue and description of events. From Dynamic Label you can label the columns of Advanced List. As I change the Date label to Event Date. Thanks for watching the video.